Welcome to Shastra Science for the science loving mind. "2021, the year in science." A look back at some of the incredible stories science served up in 2021. Particles seen switching between matter and antimatter at CERN. In June, a team of Oxford physicists announced that data collected by the Large Hadron Collider indicates that a subatomic particle called the charm meson can shift between being matter and antimatter, suggesting why the universe escaped annihilation shortly after the Big Bang. Tardigrades fired from a gun to test theory asteroid sea life. Scientists have tested the survivability of tardigrades in high impacts. Tardigrades, the famous near-indestructible microscopic water bears, may be able to see life through space, according to scientists at the University of Kent, who fired the frozen little critters out of a gun into sand to see how well they could survive an asteroid collision. World's largest offshore wind turbine starts operating at 14 megawatts. The Haliade X prototype is now running at 14 megawatts. As part of the quest for green power, 2021 saw GE Renewable Energy unveil the prototype of its 14 megawatts Haliade X offshore wind turbine in Rotterdam, which will be capable of cranking up to 74 gigawatts of energy per year when it goes to service in 2026. World's biggest wind turbine shows the disproportionate power of scale. The bigger the wind turbine, the better the production and economics. Not to be outdone, China later announced a 16 megawatt offshore wind turbine that could punch out 6 more gigawatts per year than the Haliade X thanks to its 318-meter blades. It's slated to go into operation in 2023. China claims a new fusion according with its artificial sun nuclear reactor. Nuclear fusion research seeks to form helium atoms under high temperature and pressure to release huge amounts of energy. China set another record in May with its experimental advanced superconducting tokamak fusion reactor, which heated a nuclear plasma to an unprecedented 120 million degrees centigrade for 101 seconds, bringing practical fusion energy a step closer. Bill Gates' next-gen nuclear plant packs in grid-scale energy storage. Sticking to more conventional fission technology, US Department of Energy, Bill Gates, TerraPower and GE Hitachi Nuclear Energy have joined forces to build a cost-effective sodium nuclear reactor that's expected to build at a TBO site and operational by the end of the decade. China adding finishing touches to world's first thorium nuclear reactor. China is pursuing an experimental form of nuclear fission in thorium molten salt reactors and will be reportedly begin tests at facility in the coming months. Another impressive Chinese effort in 2021 was the announcement that the government has begun work of the world's largest thorium reactor cooled by molten salt to be completed by 2030. The ultimate goal is to build production of 100 megawatts plants that can supply power to 1 lakh people. Radiant aims to replace diesel generators with small nuclear reactors. California's Radiant company is working on a 1 megawatt nuclear micro reactor that can power 1,000 homes. The helium-cooled reactor will be powered by advanced particle fuel and would be portable enough for both civilian and military applications. Extraordinary new material shows zero heat expansion from 4 to 1400 K. Another exciting bit of science news this year came from the University of New South Wales, where researchers have developed a thermally stable material made of scandium, aluminium, tungsten, and oxygen that doesn't change its volume at temperatures ranging from 4 to 1400 Kelvin. First fossil-free steel delivered to Volvo in Sweden. In August, Sweden's SSAB reached a green milestone as it rolled out the first slab of fossil-free steel that replaced the coke and coal normally used for smelting with the electric arc and hydrogen produced by the sustainable sources. Microplastics found to alter the shape of and decluster human lung cells. Less happy news came from Florida State University, which highlights the threat posed by microplastics that can alter lung cells' metabolism to slow down and hinder their proliferation and growth, as well as causing the cells to decluster, leaving gaps in the developing lung tissue. Galapagos tortoise species returns from extinction after 115 years. On the brighter side, DNA tests by the team led by Yale University have confirmed that Fernandina giant tortoise, which was thought to have died out over a century ago, has reappeared. Neutrino detector finds new type of ghost particle from the sun. In December, the Borexino neutrino detector in Italy added a vital piece to the puzzle of how the sun operates when the giant underground detector found a theorized neutrino produced by nuclear reaction of carbon, oxygen, and nitrogen atoms in the core of our planet star. Ghost particles detected in the Large Hadron Collider for the first time. Sticking with the neutrinos, the phaser experiment connected to the Large Hadron Collider managed for the first time to detect a neutrino being produced in particle collisions at a particle collider. Neutrinos are so interactive that billions of them shoot right through the Earth every second. Anti-aging research uncovers new role of telomeres. A new study suggests that telomeres protective caps on the tips of chromosomes might play a different role in aging than previously thought. In the field of anti-aging research, a team of scientists at the University of Montreal spent 2021 probing the part that telomeres, the tiny caps on the ends of chromosomes that keep them from chemically fraying, play an interact protecting cells from the aging process. Google and Harvard map brain connections in unprecedented detail. In a more neurological vein, engineers at Google and Harvard used 225 million images and a whopping 1.4 petabytes of data to generate a 3D map of just 1 millionth of the cerebral cortex that is browsable and searchable, providing new insight into the incredible complexity of human brain. Synthetic organism undergoes cell division in breakthrough study. Another one of this year's major scientific achievement came courtesy of scientists from the J. Craig Venter Institute, who produced the world's first synthetic single-celled organism that can divide and grow like a regular living cell, which could open the way to designer cells in the future. Scientists toilet train cows to reduce their environmental impact. On a more sanitary note, German and New Zealand researchers are working on a way to reduce greenhouse emissions from cattle farms by potty training cows to only go at a bespoke moo that collects urine for proper use. Steak knife made from hardened wood is 3 times sharper than steel. A final note goes to the University of Maryland, where scientists came up with a new way to harden wood by removing its lignin and then subjecting it into high pressure. The result is a wood so hard that it can be formed into knives that are almost 3 times sharper than a standard dinner table knife. If you like my presentation, please subscribe.